What's up, guys? Today we're playing Danny's World. Oh my god. Okay. Today we're playing Danny's World with my cousin. Yo, bro, say something. Say something. Say something. Say something. My game. Say something. What the heck is Trinkets? I met in real life, my guy. You're right here. Bro. Look at me. I know. You're right here.
Look at what I'm doing. Look at how I'm doing it.
Should we go now? Okay.
Stop!
Oh, the one that was talking was also my cousin, guys. Bro, I need.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Fun matchmaking. Lari la. Lari do. Okay.
Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone.
Should I get the valve? Nah, never mind. I won't get the valve. I'm ready. Ready. It's good. GG's here. Okay. Bruh. Fun.
Ready up.
I am. Just need 2 more. Somebody bought a med kit and a bandage. Should I do that?
No, that's the Cosmos. The Cosmos.
I'm buying one. I purchased bandage.
Okay.
How are you doing that?
Huh?
How are you doing that? Oh, I know how you're doing that now. I know how you're doing that now.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Wait, huh?
Time to go capture.
Huh? Capsule hunting!
I guess I'll babysit Glisten.
Oh my god! Wait, is it just me or is this Twisted not chasing me?
Yeah, because it's Glisten. He'll only get mad if like all of us get like all the machines are.
Rudy! Oh my god! Bro, go to the broken elevator, my guy.
Okay, sure, I'll go there. I'm trying not to hit Gigi because I know you'll be pissed off.
Bruh.
Just kidding, just kidding.
I'm gonna play Escape Tsunami.
Dude, take care of Glisten. Stay close to Glisten, bro.
Glisten, okay.
Yeah, stay close. Oh
Why?
crap, I took damage on
Why
it.
would I stay close to Glisten?
Because that means if like no one takes care of Glisten, our Glisten will all die.
Bro, my camera. Where the heck is Glisten?
Oh yeah, now he gets even if
Run! Oh! I died. One heart died. How is he faster?
he saved my ass.
You better take goop, my guy. You better take goop, my guy. a heart, but that's fine. I still have 2 hearts.
Goob is so insanely good.
I know Goob's so good at Quan. My friend has Goob. I want Goob to be my Quan character because he can save a lot of people.
Legendary. I'm joining you, so don't fudge me. I could give you 1,000.
Bruh. Myra. Oh, thank you, Cosmo. Yo, Cosmo helps me Quan.
Oh my god.
I barely even got. Bro! My camera!
What makes like the second best? God, don't let me join!
Okay, you distract Yata and Boxton. You better thank Goog for saving your my guy.
Oh, please,
Ow! Okay, I got him.
my guy?
My guy. Bro, I think Goob is Quan distracting now.
Yeah, he wants to distract, I think. I'ma let him. I'm just gonna go capsule hunting. You want to go with me?
Yeah, but my camera. Oh my god, my camera!
Eat this group. Eat that.
Your camera is destroying things. Bro, where are you, my guy?
I'm at like the elevator thing.
The broken elevator?
I'm in the middle.
I'm going capsule hunting,
Okay.
and tape hunting, and ornament hunting.
Just don't take like tapes when you see Sprout, okay? Or
Okay.
Ginger.
Okay.
Because they both need tapes to heal.
Oh,
So
okay.
if you want to get healed, please do not take tapes. They'll get pissed off and they won't heal you.
Okay. Holy!
Dude, yes, lower cells.
Dude, come on, man.
Good.
Gigi, come on, my guy. Bro, this is why I want to be save Gigi's life. Oh my god. Hey, yo, don't think about it that weird, my guy. I mean, that's how I am. I'm going work. Yeah, I'm going.
Do you have a prize? Because I really can't join. You really can't join? Yes.
So, do not let me die now.
Yeah. Risk your life. Risk your life for me.
I don't want to get it sucks.
What? Huh?
The pop sucks.
I'll take it.
Okay.
I'm a distractor.
There's another pop. There's another pop where I am.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yo, you do.
Namatay lagi ko!
Bruh.
Mommy! What?
My camera.
Dude, buy this
I swear I will literally. I'm just gonna go first person.
How much
is Tisha, bro?
this is like 500.
500 what?
Icor.
Icor? I need 400 more. Mike.
Dude, what are you buying with your Eager, bro?
Bro. Tisha has the. Wait. Cosmo has the last. Let me just get this capsule and ornament.
I guess Goop wants to like. Hey, bro, come! Come here, boy!
Goobs, I think, is also good for distracting.
Yes.
Head to the elevator! Oh my god, Goob!
Yo, bro, come! Right here. Where? Right here, bro. Dito lang.
Head to the elevator!
one. I'll give you this.
Okay, my challenge is to just not die a single round. Bro! Bro!
Cosmo's not there yet. Is Cosmo there?
Yes!
Okay. I thought. Oh.
It's soda good.
Bro, collect your money. You
I'm
can
buying
now.
it. Wait, no, I don't have enough.
Bro, collect your money.
Okay.
If Twisted Gigi appears, I'm gonna cry. Collect your money and
Why?
spend
That's
on
good.
speed or something. No, because like she will steal my items.
Oh, yeah, true.
By the way, bro.
By the way, Gigi's also a trader. Gigi's a trade. Like a trader. Not a tracer, a trader.
No, she's a gachapon.
Oh, gachapon. Okay.
Bro, you could have bought this.
Ah! There's a hand!
Yeah,
Oh my god!
near the hand.
I lost! I lost!
You cannot carry 3.
Why is floor 4 hard for me?
Maybe because you don't know how
Should I use my bandage?
how to strap.
Oh wait, no, never mind. Cosmo. Thanks, Cosmo. Oh my god! Is it just one entity? Yes.
Wala.
Wow.
Dude, don't tell me you're gonna take damage from blood and die. Blood's literally the easiest twisted to like dodge, bro.
Where did the hand go?
It disappears sometimes. It moves around the map.
Easy for you to say.
He's camping where I am. He basically imprisons me. Dude, look.
Goob, I didn't need help. Goob, I didn't need help. Goob! There's the hand.
Ouch. Now I took damage.
Ow!
I'm on 1.
She missed.
I'm gonna hide.
So what happened to your other heart? Why is it black?
I'm a main, so I only have 1 heart, 2 hearts. As a main, they sacrifice like their 1 heart to get like an extra stat.
Okay.
Stay there. I'm gonna meet you.
I'm still a noob at this game. I only survived 6 or... I survived 7 floors.
I know what you were about to say.
I know. Discover fun. I think Shelly is like a dinosaur of some sort. I never noticed the tail though. The hand! Why? Bruh.
I'm about to be there. I'm about to be there. Just me. I don't need anymore.
Bruh! Oh my gosh!
No way you got sniped by her, bro.
How am I supposed to know my camera?
Every time you hear like Scraps using her ability, you should always like.
Oh my god! Oh, well, I guess it's the end of the video, my guys. Well, if you had fun, make sure to like and subscribe, and then fun. See. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you had fun, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, also just like and subscribe. Well, that's it. Peace out, my dude.